Morning guys. Today I have a special assignment for my car. So as you can see, scratches easily happened around your car. As long as you drive the car, you will see scratches. So those minor one that doesn't hurt the body of the car, you still can polish it away. But something like this, it has chipped off part of the bumper. So yeah, I can go for the easier way, which is I can get the touch-up pen, white color touch-up pen, and just cover it. But it doesn't look perfect if you look at it closely. So I have gone to Taobao again, and I order a set of touch-up kit that comes with a filler, come with the paint and clear coat, all those things. So I'm gonna do it today, and hopefully everything will go as planned. And worst case scenario, I'll send the car to repaint. That's the worst case scenario. So let's start. Pack kit comes with this sandpaper. There's a 800 grade and 2000 grade, which is 800 grade is the coarse one, 2000 grade is the fine one. So to start the process, we have to sand it with the 800 grade. Okay, 800. And they come with this sanding block, so you can wrap the sandpaper around it, so it will help the sanding process easier. Pour some water. And let's go. The rationale of sanding it is to smooth out the edges before we put the filler. Okay, you can feel the edges is smooth now, so it's time to use the filler. There's a spoon for you to cover the filler. So now we have to wait for the filler to dry. It will take about 30 minutes, and then after it is dry, we'll sand it again until it is smooth before we start the painting. So now the filler is dry, and it's time for round 2. So we will still use the 800 grade sandpaper to smoothen the surface first. Same procedure. you have to wet it first. So now you have to change to the finer grade sandpaper. The 2000. Silky smooth. So after the sanding is done, now is to cover up the important parts. So it comes with a airbrush, and then this is the paint pen. It's a Alpine White BMW, and they have also clear coat spray. So before we start spraying, we have to dilute the paint first and also test the color of the paint. So the touch-up paint, you can do it like this or you can spray. It's up to you. To mix it well, shake it like 1 minute. Okay, so after shaking it like for 1 minute, we have to test the paint. So tight. Let's see. There's a test card for testing the paint to see if it's matched. Look close enough. So we will start the spraying. Before we start the spraying, we have to wipe the surface clean. Okay, let's start to it. So now it's time for second layer. It's about 5 minutes later. now is the third layer. I think third layer should be good enough. Now it's time to replace this. Wait for the paint to dry and put on the clear coating. After 10 minutes, it's time to put on the clear coat. So it's advisable to put 4 to 5 layers, and every layer's interval is about 5 minutes. So let's do it. I have done 5 to 6, I think 6 layers of clear coat. So I'll wait for it to dry. And first inspection is that I think the color is slightly different. Although what I ordered is Alpine white as well. But I don't know, maybe it's because of third-party paint matching, that's why. So yeah, I managed to cover the chipped area of the bumper, but the color is a bit different. The new paint is a bit whiter. So anyway, it's an experience, so at least you know now it's not easy to DIY paint touch-up, especially white color. So I won't be doing anything for now. I'll just let the thing dry, and then we'll see in the next few days whether the color will change or not. But anyway, it's a great experience, and for those who try to do the same thing, do it at your own risk. And anyway, you have your last resort, which is to send the whole bumper for respraying. But I'm not be doing it now unless I have other parts which has any paint chip because of stone chipping or all those things. So anyway, great experience, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Drive safe and ride safe. Bye.